Report Suspicious is available across campus as a quick and easy way to report phishing emails. Report Suspicious is available in both Outlook and Mail. Using Report Suspicious is simple. When you receive a suspicious message, click the Report Suspicious button in your email program. Your submission will be confirmed and the email will be sent to the UCR Information Security Office for review. The exact steps for using Report Suspicious will differ based on the email program you are using. Outlook users will find the icon on their toolbar when viewing an email. Mail users will find it by opening the side panel, which can be accessed by selecting the button at the bottom right of the screen. Report Suspicious is also available on iOS and Android devices. For Outlook users, it is accessible when using the Outlook app, which can be downloaded from either Google Play or the Apple App Store. For Gmail users, the Report Suspicious button can be found when using the Gmail app. To get step-by-step guidance on using Report Suspicious, visit the ITS knowledge base and search for Report Suspicious. Thank you for watching.